Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Makasling and my topic is all about provinces of the Region 7.
The first region of Region 7 is the Cebu. Cebu is a vibrant province in the Philippines Central Visayas region, known as the gateway to 1,000 journeys and home to the country's oldest city, Cebu City.
Bantayan Island is one of the tourist attractions of Cebu. Bantayan Island is a serene tropical paradise of the northern coast of Cebu, known for its powdery white beaches, laid-back vibe, and stunning natural scenery. So, the next attraction of Cebu is Kawasan Falls. Kawasan Falls is a famous natural attraction in Badian, southwestern Cebu, Philippines, known for its emerald green spring water and three-tiered cascades. So last is Fort San Pedro. Fort San Pedro is a historic military fort in Cebu City, Philippines, renowned as the country's oldest and smallest triangular bastion fort. Now let's proceed the cuisine and delicacies of Cebu. So first is lechon. Cebu lechon is one of the most iconic and celebrated dishes in the Philippines, renowned globally for its crispy skin, succulent meat, and rich cultural significance. So next is Tusloboa. It's a iconic Cebuano street food that translates to dip in bubbles, known for its unique flavor and communal dining style. Last is ginabot. Ginabot is a beloved Cebuano street food, often called the local version of Chicharon Bulaklak or flower-shaped pork cracklings, due to its distinctive appearance and texture. Now let's proceed the Festival of Cebu. First is Sinolog. Sinolog Festival is Cebu's most iconic and grandest celebration, held every third Sunday of January to honor the Santo Niño or Child Jesus, the Philippines' oldest religious relic. It's also recognized as one of the world's largest religious festivals, drawing millions of locals and tourists annually. Next is Haladaya Festival. It's a vibrant cultural and religious celebration in Daan Bantayan, a town on the northern tip of Cebu, Philippines. It honors both the town's patron saint and a legendary chieftain, blending history, faith, and community spirit. Last is Banig Festival. The Banig Festival is a vibrant cultural and religious celebration in Batian, a town in southwestern Cebu, Philippines, honoring the local banig or hand-woven mat industry and the town's patron saint, Santa James the Apostol. Now let's proceed the province of Negros Oriental. Negros Oriental is a captivating province in the central Visayas region of the Philippines, located on the southeastern side of Negros Island. Apo Marine Island Sanctuary is one of the attractions of Negros Oriental. It's a world-renowned protected area of the southeastern coast of Negros Oriental, celebrated for its vibrant coral reefs, rich marine life, and successful community-led conservation. Next is Casururo Falls. It's a stunning natural attraction in Valencia, Negros Oriental, known as the province's most photographed waterfall for its dramatic beauty and adventurous trip. Last is Mount Talines, also known as Cuernos de Negros or Horns of Negros, due to its twin volcanic peaks. It's the second highest mountain on Negros Island and a popular destination for hikers and nature lovers in Negros Oriental. So next is Daing na Bangus in Negros Oriental. Daing na Bangus marinated and fried milkfish is a beloved staple in Negros Oriental, reflecting the province's coastal heritage and blending seamlessly with local culinary tradition. So next we have cuisine and delicacy sisig in Negros Oriental. So sisig in Negros Oriental is a beloved local take on the iconic Filipino dish, blending Kapampangan roots with the province's coastal and agricultural flavors. And then chicken inasal in Negros Oriental. is a beloved take on the iconic Negrin's dish, blending the classic flavors of its Negros Occidental roots with subtle local twists that reflect the province's coastal and agricultural character. Next, we have Sandorot Festival in Negros Oriental. Mainly refers to two things, the Sandorot Festival in Dumaguete City and the Barangay of Sandorot in Shatun. So, Sandorot derived from the Visayan word Pakisundurot or Magsandurot, which means to join or come together in friendship and harmony. It honors the city patroness Santa Catalina de Alexandria and celebrate Dumaguete's reputation as the city of gentle people by showcasing its hospitality, cultural diversity, and history dating back to the pre-Hispanic world. So last we have Boglasan Festival. So it's one of the most anticipated events in Negros Oriental known as the Festival of Festival. So the festival gets its name from Buglas, the ancient name of Negros Island, derived from the tule reeds that once dominated the area. A 1572 map by Diego Lup Puvidano labeled the island Buglas Insulis. So now the Siquijor, the last province of Region 7. Siquijor is a small island province in the Philippines known as the Mystical Island and Isla del Fuego or Island of Fire due to its folklore and historical Spanish name from fireflies illuminating molive trees. Cambugahay Falls is one of the tourist attraction of Siquijor. So, Cambugahay Falls is one of the most popular natural attractions on Siquijor Island, known for its stunning turquoise water and fan activities. So next, tourist attraction of Siquijor is Paliton Beach. So Paliton Beach is a popular and picturesque beach in Siquijor Island, known for its pristine white sand, clear waters, and stunning sunsets. Next, we have Cantabon Cave in Siquijor. So, often spelled Cantabon's Cave is a popular natural attraction in Siquijor, known for its raw, adventurous caving experience and stunning underground formation. So, location Barangay Cantabon in the central part of Siquijor Island, about 9 kilometers west of Siquijor town and 30 minutes from San Juan's tourist strip. So let's proceed the cuisine and delicacies of Siquijor. So first, we have Bocayo. In Siquijor, Bocayo typically refers to a beloved traditional Filipino dessert made from sweetened young coconut or buko strips, which is popular across the island as a snack or souvenir. Next, we have Biko in Siquijor. So, Biko is a beloved traditional Filipino sweet rice cake that's also a popular snack and pasalubong in Siquijor. Last, we have Sutukil in Siquijor. So, Sutukil isn't unique to Siquijor, but it's a popular seafood dining experience on the island, offering a mix of three classic Visayan. Now let's proceed the festival of Siquijor. First, we have Dilaab Festival. So, Dilaab means bright flame in the local language, a nod to the island old Spanish name Isla del Fuego or Island of Fire, given because fireflies once swarm its molive trees at night. Last, we have Bugwas Festival in Siquijor. So the Bugwas Festival is a lively harvest celebration in San Juan, Siquijor, honoring the town's patron saint and natural blessing.
The highly urbanized cities in Cebu are Cebu City, Lapu-Lapu City, and Mandawi City. These cities are administratively independent of the provincial government, though often grouped with the province for geographical and statistical purposes. First is Cebu City. Cebu City is a highly urbanized coastal city in the central Visayas region of the Philippines, often called the Queen City of the South. It is a major economic and cultural hub known for its Spanish colonial history, vibrant nightlife, and as a gateway to other islands. The city is the regional center and the provincial capital of the Cebu province. Next is Cebu City tourist attraction. First is Magellan Cross, a historic cross planted by Ferdinand Magellan expedition. This is one of the most significant historical landmarks in the Philippines, believed to contain relief of the cross planted by Ferdinand Magellan when he arrived in 1521. Next is Basilica del Santo Niño, the oldest Roman Catholic church in the Philippines, housing the image of the Santo Niño. Next is cuisine and delicacies. First is lechon, often considered the best pig in the world. Cebuano lechon is known for its incredible crispy skin and tender, flavorful meat, often seasoned with lemongrass and spices that eliminate the need for dipping sauce. Dried mangoes, one of the Philippines' most famous export products. Cebu's dried mangoes are a popular sweet snack and souvenir.
Sinulog Festival, a major religious and cultural celebration in Cebu City, Philippines, held annually on the third Sunday of January to honor the Santo Niño, Child Jesus.
Mandawi City. Mandawi City is a highly urbanized city in the Central Visayas region of the Philippines, known primarily as the industrial hub or furniture capital of the Philippines. It is one of three highly urbanized cities on Cebu Island. Mandawi officially became a charter city on August 30, 1969, and was recognized as highly urbanized city on February 15, 1991. This status makes it administratively independent from the provincial government of Cebu. Malapascua Island, a well-known island north of Cebu City, famous for its white sand beaches and clear water. Tagaktak, a crunchy fritter made from sticky rice and coconut milk. Masarel, a popular bar-shaped sweet made from boiled peanuts, sugar or coconut syrup, and water. Panagtagbo Festival. This festival is now a major highlight of the mid-year cultural summit. Its name derived from Cebuano word for meeting or gathering. Lapu-Lapu City is a highly urbanized city in the province of Cebu, Philippines, that is administratively independent from the province. Mactan Shane. This historic park is home to the Lapu-Lapu Monument, a 20-meter bronze statue of the native chieftain who defied Ferdinand Magellan in the 1521 Battle of Mactan, and the Magellan Chain, a large memorial obelisk dedicated to the Portuguese explorer. Lango Island is an ecological gem located just off the coast of Mactan Island, Cebu in the Philippines. It is primarily known for its Lango Island Wildlife Sanctuary. Sutukil. This is a popular dining concept at the Mactan Chain area, where you can select fresh seafood. Chocolanay, a popular local bread that is a pie filled with melted chocolate. The major festival in Lapu-Lapu City is the Kadaugan sa Mactan, a month-long commemoration of the historic Battle of Mactan. The city also holds the Garbo sa Lapu-Lapu Festival and the annual festa for its patroness and Nuestra Señora del Regla. The annual Kadaugan sa Mactan Festival commemorates the victory of local chieftain Lapu-Lapu against Spanish force led by Ferdinand Magellan in the Battle of Mactan in 1521.
Mabuhay! I am